imagination of millions around the world. Now, he's headed for the big screen in his very first movie. Thomas the Tank Engine.
Who else were you expecting?
Destination Films proudly presents your passport to Thomas and the Magic Rail. Something has gone wrong. With nerves of steel.
Don't worry, I'm on my way.
To bring the magic back.
I'll get you, you fool! Up there!
This summer, Thomas and the Magic Railroad. This summer, share the wonder with your family.
I'll say the